Hello, my friends. I am going to be trying a new product today. I'm going to be doing a cloud pour with Rust-Oleum milk paint. I've done a few with Folk Art milk paint, but they've discontinued it and I have very, very little left, so I'm hoping to get the same effects with another type of milk paint, so we'll give it a try. Colors I'm using are Fine Touch, and Phthalo Blue, Aqua Green, mixed up some gold, Artisoft Gold. Then I took some of the Phthalo Blue and added a little black to get a darker color for contrast. And then the milk paint, I just mixed half and half with Floetrol. These are with Floetrol as well, 2 to 1. 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. This just seemed plenty thin. These I even had to add water to, so we shall see. Let's give it a go. I always like to start with dark because I like a dark center. I like gold next to the center, or gold next to the dark rather, dark blue. That's the milk paint. I'm going to go back to the milk paint and then maybe just another layer or 2 of the regular colors. And that'll be it for the milk paint because, no, I take that back. Sorry, I'm going to do 3 layers with the milk paint because I don't know how it will react and I'll find out if it's too much. It may need the 3, I don't know. So I don't know. It's all on experimentation. All right, that'll be it. That's 3 times I put that milk paint in there. And that's the end of the dark. This is a 12 by 12. This is a 9-ounce cup. I'm going to fill it up as best I can. Okay. That should be sufficient. It looks so pretty at this point. Okay. Here we go, straight pour. With a rotation, but still just a straight pour for the most part. Well, I'm not seeing the white that I expected to see. But hopefully it will have an effect blending with the other colors. You know who that is. That's Betty scratching the carpet under my table here. Okay, well, it's kind of pretty. This is very pretty in through here. I just love that, but who knows if that'll stay. It's so pretty right now. I'm going to take it down for a closer look because who knows. I love that right there where the turquoise meets the gold. Yeah, it's lovely. Sorry about the glare. I always have trouble with my lighting. Okay, let's move it around. I like this and this, so I'm going to try to preserve that area for sure. I'm glad I put 3 layers of white in there because I can barely see it, but where it did blend, I love it. It's very pretty. I wonder if I hit it with a torch, if anything will happen. Let's give it a try. Just popping a few bubbles is all. Not too much in the way of effect. Oh gosh, that's pretty. Kind of peacock colors. I wasn't even thinking of it. But kind of has an iridescent look to it. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful up there. Okay, bring that in. Set it down for a second. Oh yes, I'm liking all of that. I love that little dip there. I like this. I'm going to try to bring that over and this bright blue is sticking out like a sore thumb, so I'm going to probably end up tilting most of that off. So I'm moving the weight back to the center. And now coming this way to get coverage on the corner. I like it quite a bit. I always like to turn it around and view it from different orientations. From this one, with this being the bottom, it looks like the curl of a wave. I could just see a surfer painted on there coming out of that tunnel, or I guess they call it. I'm not sure what it's called. You know, I don't think I'm going to do anything else with it. I'm pretty happy. Wow. I don't think the milk paint, it did something, not nearly the effect I expected or hoped to get, but I am happy with it. I'm going to go heavier with it next time. Maybe I won't even, it was so thin, maybe I won't even add any Floetrol. I'll just use it straight and see what kind of effects I can get. I'm going to take you down for a closer look. But I will definitely be experimenting with this Rust-Oleum milk paint again. I had to order it. I couldn't walk in and get it anywhere online. But I'm sorry, let's get that light out of there. There we go. Nice. I really like that area right there. Oh, that's pretty. And that's the peacock feathers. I mean, colors. Little bits of gold coming through. Dark blue was not very successful. The black really took over, but I think it needed that contrast, so I'm not unhappy with it. Okay, now up for the full view. Let me turn that light off and see that. There it is. Well, I'll definitely be experimenting some more with this paint. Let me know what you think, and I shall see you next time. Bye now. I almost dropped my phone there. Bye-bye.